This comment you made right here about the 25, you gotta fix it quick. ASAP, rapid. Fix it, man. This comment, that's some negmawon style comment. You gotta fix it, man. A negmawon pop cannot see this type of thing, cannot say this type of things. Megan, you let them say that thing. Oh, Megan, what are you doing? Megan, listen, Megan. It's time you step in. It's time you become the backbone and tell your prince, be careful what he says. Megan, that's your job.
New challenge.
From my own, make you jump, feel like jump. I jump. Wonderful ladies and gentlemen, this is how you make money. Money so sweet on this side of the head. We don't even call it money no more. We call it nini. Sweet. Nini. So today, I go by the name of King Sizzy, a.k.a. your favorite king, a.k.a. Mr. Pettifield, a.k.a. Keep Pushing. Today, the topic is the Prince Charming. Wow. Prince Harry. Sorry, my brother. Yeah, you're not safe, baby. You make a mistake, you're gonna be mentioned in this channel. Sorry, boo-boo, but we gotta talk. Prince Harry, what is this? Come on, man. Prince Harry, man. Come on, man. I'm not condemning you. Prince Harry, man. What? How do I say this? You white. You from England. You are a prince, part of the royal family. You understand that? Do you understand that? Now, do you understand how many enemies that family have? Now, you left the family. You don't even have the protection of the family anymore. Yet, you go in exposing yourself. Bro, why you say that thing about the number 25 and that you cannot kill 25 person, yet you kill 25 of these guys? What are you saying? That's 25 people who died in 25 different families who lost them because of you. You alone. Do you understand that? Man, how you gonna go from Prince Charming back to becoming a frog again? Watch yourself, man. I understand you know what I'm saying, you complaining, you protecting your wife, you know like that. I understand that, bro. I'm all with you. I understand this. You know what I'm saying? I'm with you. You took a big step by leaving over there just to protect your family. I understand that. Gotta be a negmawon. What? You can't be a negmawon Salman. Okay? Fix your body. Okay? But anyway, thanks to your father, King Charles, I'm everybody's favorite king because nobody like him. Well, some people like him, but most people don't. But everybody like me. Why everybody like me? Because I see everybody like kings and queens and brothers and sisters. Therefore, I am a king too. And because of that, I'm your favorite king. But Prince Harry, man, whoo, you're gonna have to apologize about that 25 thing. Say you were not thinking. Tell me you were not thinking. No way. No way you meant it that way, man. Anyway, love you guys. Love you guys. Love you guys.